Hello guys, you're welcome to this video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can design a logo in less than no time. You're using a website. So if this is your first time coming to this channel, or you have been watching my videos and you have not yet hit on that subscribe button, please I beg you, if you hit on that subscribe button, like this video and endeavor to turn on the notification bell so that you get notified of every single video I drop. So right away, make sure you have a stable internet connectivity. Go to your Chrome browser. Okay, here you search Bing AI image generator. Yeah, click on the first link here. Alright, so this is the interface of the website. If you are new to this website, they require that you do a registration, and that registration is free. So after doing your registration, you come here and you insert a prompt. A prompt is a description of what you want. So this is what I will be demanding from this AI generator. So I say a minimalist logo for an NGO called Benevolent Outreach Foundation. Let me put this all in capital letters. Benevolent Outreach Foundation. So after this, I'll click on create. It will take some time to create. And finally, this is what we have. Yeah, so this is the image generated. Right here, I'll click on the one I prefer. Okay, I will long press and click download image. So this is what we have had. So thanks for watching. If you have not yet subscribed, hit on the subscribe button, and please endeavor to like this video and share.